Hey everyone, how are you? Hope all are doing well. Let me ask you one question. How many of you want self-development? Of course, answer will be yes from everyone. Because it's the inherent quality within us. You can tell it's the common point in each and every human being. You might have heard about the organization disaster management. What they teach, how to save yourself first, then others. Like that, if you want to change the whole world, very good. But without changing yourself, without developing yourself, it's quite impossible or too difficult. So let's inculcate some ideas how we can develop ourselves. I have segregated it into 3 phases. First is self-investigation, then self-innovation, then last one self-development. First one self-investigation. What are the points come under it? Strength, weakness, opportunity, threat, mission, vision and interest. Strength is in which part I am good at. I can ask the questions to me or all the WH questions to me, or I can ask the person who is very close to me. He or she may be my parents, friends, relatives, whoever. But another important thing, the way of asking question also makes matter. For example, I am very close with my mother. If I'll ask my mother ki what is my strength, she may not answer or she may hesitate to answer. But if I'll ask her, what do you like in me? Of course she will answer, right? Then I can find out the point. Another thing, first I have my thought or my answer with me. At the same time, I'm asking others. Then I should do the proper matching. Then only I can find the proper result what my strength is. The same is weakness, just opposite to strength, in which part I am not good at, or where I need improvement, or where I have lacuna. The way of knowing weakness, same as strength. I can ask myself, at the same time I can ask the persons who are very close to me. Both strength and weakness are under my control. I can develop my strength. I can manage my weakness. Next part, opportunity and threat. Both are from outside environment. Both are not under our control. Opportunity, like you can put current example, like now software industry is in boom. That is the current scenario. I don't know this opportunity how long it will be available. So as soon as possible, if I am capable, I should avail it. And it's not coming according to my interest, right? So it's a opportunity from outside environment which is not under my control. Threat is also just opposite. The best example, corona, which we never want and which is not under our control. Like corona, so many natural calamities can be the example. Recently, I have spoken to one of my very close teacher's son. He is studying in 12th standard, a brilliant scholar guy. I just asked how studies going on. He replied me in a so demotivating way. He was complaining like online classes, you know what's the problem, so. Then I just replied, it's a threat. It's not only for you. The whole world is facing it. Like you saw, other students are also having the same situation. So why you are so much worried? Why you are so disheartened? So face it. Be ready. Prepare yourself. Cope with the change. Then the next point is interest. If I'll include interest to my work, then nobody can stop me. Because nowadays, smart work, that is called smart work. Interest plus work, that is smart work, which is far better than hard work. I'm not telling hard work won't pay you. It is good. But if it is smart work, then of course always it's the best. Then let's come to the next page, that is self-innovation. In self-investigation, what we did? We analyze ourselves. We got the ideas. The next part is self-innovation. Here the reality, the ideas will come into reality. Here some points like self-confidence, self-motivation or self-ignition is important. There should be inner interest, the inner call to do something. Then only you can get the success, or you can put your whole body and mind. The inner call must be there. Inner motivation must be there. Never wait others to motivate you. You motivate yourself first. Then only others can able to do that. If I don't want, nobody in the world can change myself. There should be inner call. Then it would be better to achieve anything. And proper coordination. What are the ideas I have got? What are the analysis I have done? There should be a proper coordination. Then only it can be put into the right path, right track. Next thing, suggestion and decision making, which I have explained in my second last video. You can go through it. You can better understand how to take the decision, from where to take the suggestion, all those things. By coordinating all the things, we can bring into reality, or we can bring our thoughts into reality. Here, thought is also very important. We have to give second thought on it. Whatever we are going to do, we have to give second thought on it. Because whatever the scenario will be, we have to face. Nobody in the world will do. All will tell you, but nobody is going to face it. You are going to face it. So always give a second thought on it. Then the last phase, that is self-development, which is the outcome or result part. Here time plays very great role, because we have to wait for proper time, we have to invest time, and also we have to maintain time. Then only we can find out proper result. What do you think? After following investigation and innovation development, will be there or not? Result will be positive or negative? Doesn't matter. It can be positive, is a good sign. If it will be negative, then it's a better sign. Because we can implement our ideas in a different way, or we can do things differently. So many new opportunities will be there. Don't be in confusion that I am doing something, that means result must be good. No, it may be negative. Wait for the proper time. If you are sure enough, change it. If you are not sure enough, you are a little bit confused, wait for the proper time. Continuity must be there. Then only we can find out the result. Without spending time, without time investment, we can't judge. We have to do things very properly. We have to prepare our mind for both positive and negative. Ask, some persons are born with silver spoon, but ask 99 successful persons are having so many failures in their life. That's the reason they are successful. Then the last part, that is self-realization or self-rectification, which I have not added in the diagram, but it is very important in each and every phase.